a free-fall jump. The HAHO technique is used to aircraft personnel at high altitudes when aircraft are unable to fly above enemy locations without posing a threat to the jumpers. In addition, parachute jumps are employed in the covert insertion of military personnel into enemy territory, circumstances where the covert nature of the operation may be compromised by the loud noise of parachutes opening at low altitude. In a typical exercise, the jumper will jump from the aircraft, deploy the parachute immediately after exiting the aircraft. The jumper then uses a compass or GPS device for guidance while flying for 30 or more miles. The jumper must see waypoints and terrain features to navigate to their desired landing zone and correct their courses to account for changes in wind speed and direction. If deploying as a team, the team will form up in a stack while airborne with the parachutes. Usually the jumper in the lowest position will set the travel course and act as a guide for the other team members. Oh, and one other thing, just to add complexity to it. Insertions are low moonlight illumination. That's right. Most often they do this at night. Dealing with some windy conditions a lot, more than it is down here on the surface too, as they gather up and come together again to form that stack. It's part of the insertion technique, and slowly again make their way right here to the drop zone at show center. Today by EOD Senior Chief Griffin Biscone, the Operations Officer LCPO for EOD Training and Evaluation Unit 2, and he's joined by EOD Lieutenant Commander Mike Groh, EOD Senior Chief Anthony Byrne, EOD Chief Rob Warsley, EOD Chief Connor McGilvery, and EOD First Class Petty Officer Luke Ostrowski. So ladies and gentlemen, once again, the ground a great reflector of sound. Each one of these individuals can hear you loud and clear. Let's show some appreciation. Imagine they jump out of an airplane, free fall, open a parachute, drift down at night, sometimes in enemy territory, and only to get on the ground and then deal with explosive devices. These are very special people. And speaking of explosive devices, we have plenty of boom to add to a lot of the zoom coming up in our next segment. So ladies and gentlemen, be a little warned, it's going to get loud. weekend to help celebrate 50 years of women Navy aviation. And what a celebration this is going to be, culminating with the Blue Angels, Amanda Lee, call-sign Scholar, the first Blue Angel demonstration pilot, female, and lots of other women participating, of course, throughout the afternoon as well. But thank you for joining for this great celebration as our stack now is getting ready for their final approach to the drop zone, right on target. From a high insertion again over 2 miles above us where they jumped out into freezing cold air. Things are getting a little warmer for them now as they, with the larger canopies and their kit, make their way precisely to where they need to be. EOD Senior Chief Griffin Biscoe, EOD Lieutenant Commander Mike Rowe, EOD Senior Chief Anthony Byrne, EOD Chief Rob Basarli, EOD Chief Connor McGilvery, and EOD First Class Petty Officer Luke Ostrowski. And again, they can hear you loud and clear as they set up for their approach and landing now. Your EOD jumpers. They are kitted up as if they were coming in to do the job required of them. That includes the gun and the backpack and the boots, the camouflage and the whole kit. Give it up for them. First down, of course, EOD Senior Chief Griffin Biscoe. And here comes EOD Lieutenant Commander Mike Rowe. And EOD Senior Chief Anthony Byrne turning in now. EOD Chief Rob Basarli getting ready to turn in. Chief Connor McGilvery. And EOD First Class Petty Officer Luke Ostrowski, ladies and gentlemen. There, just stand still. Just stand still if you're under the canopy. Our folks will get to that. Again, in these windy conditions, just follow the instructions. If the jumper there, you'll be okay. Just the canopy touching over the fence, and everybody looks to be okay. That's great. And again, getting the canopies collapsed. And there we go. They're all down. 3 to go. These brave young men and women that serve this nation in the most dangerous profession there is, really. And finally, the last one, about to touchdown. And that is not easy to do on the pavement, too. Making sure that they get the canopy collapsed. All pretty much stand-up landings, too. With all that weight, please, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together again for this outstanding team. EOD Senior Chief Griffin Biscoe, EOD Lieutenant Battalion Commander Mike Brill, Senior Chief Anthony Byrne, Chief Rob Washarley, Chief Connor McGilvery, and First Class Petty Officer Luke Ostrowski. Outstanding. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, give it up for them. And now coming in from the left,